Hey, this is Armands, and I just got my brand new AIRTANG. Ordered it yesterday, got it today, so very quick service. So this will be unboxing video and the first impressions of using it. So the box says pull me. How do I pull? What do I pull? Oh, got it. Oh wow, looks very premium. This is what it looks like. Feels very nice. Has a wooden finish and a metal piece. Let's see. Also comes with a habit tracker, 30-day plan, and what else? A little cleaning thingy. A black envelope. What does that say? Ah, it's a cleaner. It's a cleaning thingy. And here are the sticks, flavor sticks. So I ordered a box with 6 of them. Coffee, raspberry crisp mint, cinnamon hearts, orange fresh, and vanilla. So I'm gonna try fresh orange first, I think. So let's see. Oh, it opens up just by pulling out, and it says, let's see, I'm gonna open the fresh orange. Tricky to open. It's quite snug. So, has a very nice smell. So I put the thing in until it clicks into place. Alright, let's load it up. Let's close it and try. So there is no vapor, but you can feel definitely the aroma. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna do a review later on after using it, but that's basically it. If you buy AirTang now on the website, use my link below and use code ARMANDS for €10 off of your order. Alright, thank you. Goodbye.